Previously on Life as Amber Knows It.
I'm reporting live from the valley. Amazon Fresh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing to you guys the long-awaited low carb waffle video. I mean, I've done it before because apparently over 90,000 of you think it's watch-worthy. I don't know, but there are a few things that I changed in this recipe. So I had been wanting to upload a newer, more updated version for a while now. Finally got around to it. I hope you enjoy it as much as you did the other one, if not more. All right. Also, if you're enjoying my content, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps me out so much. It helps out the algorithm of YouTube, and you're supporting someone awesome. So it's like a win-win situation. Here's a recipe, and I hope you enjoy. Alrighty, let's kick things off with 4 ounces of softened Philadelphia cream cheese, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of sugar-free vanilla syrup. If you have ever had Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles, I'm telling you this is as close as you're gonna get without all the sugar and carbs. Brown sugar Swerve, 2 tablespoons. As much cinnamon as you want, 4 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of either this keto milk in the cinnamon roll flavor, so bomb, or you have the option of using a coconut almond milk or heavy cream, whatever kind you want. Your girl been cutting back on her dairy, so this is why I chose either of these. 2 tablespoons of melted Kerrygold butter, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I also pulled out a few of my extracts just to show you that you can customize your flavors as you please. I am going to put all of my ingredients right here in my blender cup. And then that's it. I'm gonna blend this bad boy up. That's it. If you watch my other video, you know that I had separate bowls. I added the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. I had a hand mixer. I had a spatula. I had another spatula. And I had the waffle iron to clean. But today, my God, we ain't doing all them dishes, okay? We're just putting everything in here and we are blending the bad boy up. And we're living our best life because less dishes means less problems. So another thing that I started doing after making this for a few years is actually putting these waffle makers on plates, because regardless, I don't know about you, but I'm always spilling something over, and it's easier just to wash the plate instead of trying to clean off the crusty counter. Another thing I've discovered with the help of you guys is that I only have to spray my waffle irons down one time, not between waffles. We don't need to be extra and excessive, okay? Just one time and you're good to go. You guys also taught me this blender hack too, so shout out to y'all. Y'all the real MVPs. Like, so here I'm showing you that when that light is blue, that means they're good to go and they can come chill with the rest of the crew. Now, for this batch, I decided to add some chocolate chips into the batter. I know, she's getting wild, y'all. These are Bake Believe, and you can find them at Walmart for like $3. Amazing. So I just added a few chocolate chips, closed them down like usual, opened them up when the lights turned blue, and added them to my beautiful pile. And we wasn't gonna waste that little end piece. We ain't gonna discriminate, okay? Each batch is going to make about 8 to 10 waffles depending on how thick or thin your batter is. When you're ready to reheat these thick little babies, you can either put them in your toaster, you can put them in the oven, you can just put them in the microwave. You can pair them with eggs, bacon, sausage. These will store in the fridge in an airtight container for up to a week, and in the freezer in an airtight container for up to a month. Okay? Don't forget to tag me if you decide to make these waffles. Also, you can check out my previous video from a few years ago and compare and contrast. Thanks for watching, guys.
It's not over yet. We've only just begun. Not much time is left. Gotta get to 51. Let's go. I know we'll have some fun.